What's going on, gang? It's Mook and a V back with another video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Get certified and get in tune with V Gang, man. See what we got going on, man. It's Mook and a V all 2021. We in Arkansas right now for relltoreal. I can't even say his name, man. Sully Vlogs, SRT Breeze, and CJ on 32's pop-up meet, man. Josh Laurent was out there, Cat, man. Crazy time, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out here, get this day started, man. I'm gonna pick this camera back up when I get down to the Mamba, man. Yes, sir. Get y'all a semi-cold start, cause really we just got here like 2-3 hours ago. Man, you see how dirty my baby is? Y'all can't see it on this camera. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the, y'all can't see it on this camera, man. My shit is dirty. Oh my goodness, I don't think I ever seen it like this. Like, I've seen it dirty before, but this is crazy, man. What the, like I hit something, man. This is ugly. Ugly. It feel good out here though. It's like 50 something. If y'all ain't done it yet, man, you already know what time it is, man. It's out here, man. Y'all gotta go hit that subscribe button, man. Share them videos, like, comment, all that, man. Let me go ahead and give y'all this little semi. Yes, sir. We found a self-wash, man. Yeah, y'all can see how dirty it is now. How this thing work. I ain't never did a self-wash before, man. I usually just run through a car wash. 50 cents, cert quarters. What up, gang? Alright, man, so I was in the process of spraying the Mamba off, as y'all seen. It was actually kind of decent too, but gmoney hit me up, and he got the detailer on deck, so we finna go pull up on the detailer, man. I'm about 10 minutes out. Told him I'd meet him over there or whatever. I'm sorry I keep looking up at the screen. I'm supposed to be looking at the lens. I'm getting better, man. I'm gonna get better. I mean, I'm not getting better, but I'm gonna get better as I shoot more with the camera. But yeah, man, I'm finna fly back over here. We'll fly by, you know what I'm saying? And we finna get these cars nice and detailed up. You know what this flower service dude doing, and this Sprinter doing the most. I let him get by earlier. I ain't know that. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get over here and I'm gonna cut the camera back on when I pull up over there, man. Hopefully this dude is quick, cause the meet starting right now, man. I wanted to kind of get there early, man. The meet starting right now. If 2 cars got to get, you know what I'm saying? That's like an hour or 2 worth of, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I'll holler at y'all in a second.
My bad, bro. I'm well, man.
What's going on with you, bro? Mook, man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
I thought gmoney would have made it over here before me. I went to a what you call them thing, little self spray. I was finna get to getting it done myself. You don't do YouTube or nothing?
Nah, not right now, but I've been wanting to get into it.
Yeah, I just got started about 4 months ago, man. The first show was when I first got started, I went to a rail show in Memphis. I think that was on Halloween. Decent as hell. Met a couple Arkansas guys out there. We got a dude in Catfish Corner out by us. Old dude, he be getting it in though, be everywhere. always got his camera going live, and he got a detail service too. You know what I'm saying? He charged like $200 for the big one, where he shampoo everything inside out, go crazy. And he make his own little concoction for the wheels and stuff, and super shine, greasy as hell, you know what I'm saying? He got the buffer, he do all that. Yeah, he be going crazy. Catfish Corner, man. You gonna see him because he getting bigger and bigger too. He right out of the shot.
I'm gonna have to look into it. I got a friend, I got a real good friend in Chicago. She's a girl. She's a career coach. She does a lot of shit. She does a lot of shit. So I be tapped in Chicago like
You know who Prince Whips is?
Prince Whips.
Yeah. He out here in Arkansas. I don't know what part of Arkansas he in.
Arkansas is so small, so it's like.
Oh, okay. Well, he got a red C8. He got a red C8 with the Lambo doors on it. He got a red Challenger on 28s. Got a Wrangler, and he got a old school Lexus with like 4s or 6s on it, all red though. Yeah, he going. I don't know what he finna pull up in the day. I talked to him yesterday. He probably gonna bring that C8 because ain't nobody seen it since he did what he did to it.
Yeah, man, he gotta stay one time.
Yeah, we seen him on the videos, but ain't nobody really seen it in person. So you know, he had it out there in Memphis. That's where I met him at. But he done went crazy on that mark since then. Yeah. Yeah, I'm over here, man. He said he's starting to phone me up right now. Yeah, so when you get over here, he'll probably be halfway done with mine. You jump right in. All right, bet. Got my boy Fly by gmoney pulling up. Get the suds going. We got the suds going. Cool blue. What's going on, man?
What up, brother?
He said pull up right here. He said they finna leave. Look at the motherfucking wheels. Dirty. We gonna get it clean, dope. We gonna get it clean, dope. Like that right there. How you feeling, man?
Woo.
Man right there.
Ready to get it, bro.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Yup. We gonna be back dirty before we even get over there. Gonna hit a puddle or something. All around the wheel well gonna be dirty in the mug already.
Shoot, I'm looking at it, I'm like, man, it look like a mudslide.
Yup.
The whole joint.
Yup,
bro.
and all these hills. Yup. Exactly what it is. I don't know. It feels some sun out though. I like hilly looking. I like how it look out here. Definitely like how it look out here.
I don't like driving at night through here, bro.
Me either. No, I don't like that. That was the only bad thing about driving last night was that nighttime drive, man. I couldn't see the law. You know, if it was daytime, bro, I'd have been doing 110 coming down. I was going.
You better be careful, boy. They got drop-offs and mountains.
Yeah.
Stuff,
yeah, man.
You got it, bro. Shoot, I went to Russellville to go see Sully, man. I had to go through the mountains.
Oh yeah.
Bro, they have immediate like slow down to like 20 miles an hour.
Damn.
Cause you going around the mountain. If you go off of that, boy, you going off the mountain.
Yeah. it was some fog last night or this morning, man. That was.
When it was snowing down here a week ago.
I know. I would have never came out the house.
That fog. Yeah, no, that fog was real. That fog was real. I'm like, I was down probably like, I was probably down like 40, 45.
Mark said he can't come, man. He said it was so much fog, man. He couldn't even see down the back.
No, it got bad, bro. It definitely got bad. I hit a couple patches where I was going like 40, 45 because I'm like, I'm the only one out here, so it was no other cars. It's pitch black. Brighter zone the whole time. Yeah, I see the drip though, man. Transformation almost done. Gotta get it right. Get one more spin. They clean, huh?
Yeah, we clean now, dog.
They gonna spend the whole video, god dog.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, you dig too before I forget.
Already. Spick and Span Pressure Washing. My name is Webb Abrams. You can follow me on Facebook at Spick and Span Pressure Washing. That's really it.
Bogus ass truck, man. Pulling up on my man while he shouting out his handles. Yeah, I see my boy getting us right out here, man. I already know, man. Get my man to follow. Check his YouTube out.
Yeah,
Fly
bro.
by gmoney. Y'all go check my man out, man. Support black businesses, man. Y'all know what time it is. 2021, we changing things. We changing things. I told you we gonna get dirty. Yes, sir, man. Show YouTube, bro. Go ahead and shout it out.
BOA Renzi.
BOA Renzi, man. Go ahead and give my man a subscribe, bro. You recording right now, bro? Give me a shout out, bro. Mook in the V, man. You already know we coming out from Chicagoland area. My man Fly by gmoney right here, man. We taking over all 2021, man. You gonna hear these names all year long, man.
Hey, I got videos with CJ. He was at CJ event yesterday.
What's going on, man? I was just out there with them last night, man. I came out, they had a pop-up meet right by the crib, right before I was supposed to be out here yesterday. The pop-up meet, I said, you know what, man? I'm gonna go to this first. So I went out there, kicked it for a little bit, got on the highway like 9 o'clock, got out here maybe 5 o'clock this morning. About a 9-hour drive. Okay. What you usually be on? You say you rap? Okay, I'm gonna have to check you out. Go ahead, shout it out, bro.
D Hayes on YouTube.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hold on. Y'all already know what I'm on. We'll make them scream. Y'all here, man. Time it is, man. We finna move to the next location, man. Fly by over here trying to get it right. Trying to get it right.